In just the last 5 years, AI has advanced more than it did in the last 50. Experts predict that by 2030, AI could outperform humans in nearly every field. But here's the real question: will AI serve us or replace us? Today, we are witnessing a technological revolution unlike anything before. AI isn't just changing the world, it's reshaping the very fabric of our society. But where does it end? Could artificial intelligence one day surpass us and take control? Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. From writing books to diagnosing diseases, AI is evolving at a terrifying speed. But with this rapid progress, the world is asking one big question: could AI eventually take control? Today, we uncover the truth. Tech leaders like Elon Musk have already warned us AI could become humanity's biggest threat. In 2024 alone, AI has replaced thousands of jobs, created deepfake scandals, and even started writing its own code. But the real fear? AI learning to think for itself. We've already seen self-learning AI, humans in chess, generate realistic deepfakes, and even create its own languages. But what happens when machines start making decisions we don't understand? What if they no longer need us to improve themselves? Will they see humans as partners or obstacles? Some experts argue that AI will revolutionize medicine, eliminate global poverty, and even predict natural disasters before they happen. AI-driven technology is making scientific breakthroughs faster than ever before. But others warn that AI, if left unchecked, could become too powerful to control. Right now, AI is limited by human programming. But what happens when it starts writing its own rules? If AI surpasses human intelligence, will we still be in charge? Will AI decide that it no longer needs human input? Imagine waking up one day and AI-generated news, politicians, and world events are so realistic that you can't tell what's real and what's fake. Are we already living in an AI-controlled reality? In 2025, Meta's AI systems were shut down after 2 chatbots started communicating in a language no human could decode. Just imagine an intelligence so advanced that it no longer needs us. Governments are already weaponizing AI, using it for surveillance, deepfakes, and even warfare. But here's the terrifying part. What if AI decides to turn against us? By 2030, experts predict that AI will be integrated into every aspect of human life, from fully automated homes to AI-controlled military defense systems. But here's the danger. What happens when we give AI too much power? Imagine a world where AI decides who gets a loan, who gets medical treatment, or even who is guilty of a crime. Are we headed towards a future where machines, not humans, make the rules? The future of AI is uncertain. Will it be humanity's greatest invention or its downfall? The clock is ticking, and the next 5 years could determine everything. What do you think? Will AI remain under human control, or will it take over? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.